Managing repetitive paperwork like NDAs or employment contracts can be a daunting and time-consuming task. From manually filling the paperwork to double-checking for errors, it's a process that eats into valuable time and energy. But what if there was a way to automate these tasks and eliminate mistakes altogether? Take Sarah, a project manager who needs NDAs for every new collaborator joining her team. She used to spend hours manually editing paperwork, filling in names and project details. Mistakes would occasionally slip through, causing unnecessary delays and frustration. With MakeForms, Sarah's workflow is transformed. She uploads her NDA template, maps key fields like collaborator name, project description, and signature. And now generating a personalized, error-free NDA takes seconds. When someone like Lisa Thomas joins the team, all Sarah has to do is input her details into MakeForms, and the document is ready to send. No more wasted time or worrying about small mistakes. Now meet David, an HR manager swamped by the tedious process of creating employment contracts for every new hire. Each time, he had to manually update details like the employee's name, job title, and start date. A time-consuming task prone to critical errors. With MakeForms, David simplifies everything. He uploads his employment contract template and maps fields like employee name, job title, start date, and signature. So, when Emily Carter is hired as a marketing specialist starting February 1st, 2025, MakeForms instantly generates a professional, error-free contract ready to share. David can now focus on onboarding instead of drowning in paperwork. From NDAs to employment contracts, MakeForms helps you generate error-free documents automatically, save hours on repetitive work, and send documents instantly to signatories, all while ensuring consistency and security. Stop wasting time on repetitive paperwork. Discover how MakeForms can transform your workflow and let you focus on what truly matters. Visit the MakeForms website today to get started and see the difference for yourself.